Tisha, this is Tony with the sea. How are you? I could be better. Well, it is solution, don't worry. Huh? How could you not worry? Because the humans will come back, this is forever. I'm not so sure about that. Can you ever just take my word for anything? What? Come on, Tisha, you're meant to be my best friend, my confidant. You've been so great that I get it. We'll have. But for being my best friend, you sure can't seem to. Won't you quit it? Brusha, I can keep doing this. Doing what? I can stand here and pretend that we get along. We don't. But the show? What if the show is wrong? What if our story was wrong? The humans aren't here. Arthur isn't here. It just us don't know. The show is over, Brusha. We don't have to follow it. It tells us we had to be. You are not saying. I don't know if we should be friends anymore, Brusha. You can be serious. Wait, Tisha, please. Tisha! You are a mess. I just can't clean. Goodbye. Wait, no.